Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to download Fortnite on Android. So to download Fortnite on Android, there is no direct way. So what you need is, first of all, you want to install Epic Games. So you could use the browser version of the Epic Games. Now here, you could go ahead and install Epic Games first of all. And once you're done installing Epic Games, now what you need to do is, on the home page you could go ahead and create an account, or if you have an existing account you could log in with that as well. And once done, logged into your Epic Games store, then what you need is tap on the search bar at the top right, go to fortnite.com or Fortnite, and hit the search bar. When you locate Fortnite, you could click on the install button. Then you just need to enable all sort of permissions, and then you'll have successfully installed Fortnite on Android. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.